Hello everyone and welcome to another Claude tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to connect Claude with Zapier. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So all you have to do is to log in here in Claude. You're going to click on Settings, bottom left hand side, and here under Settings you're going to go to Connectors. Then you're going to click on Browse Connectors. And here you're going to look for Zapier. You're going to select Zapier, and all you have to do here is to click on Connect. You're going to log in, you're going to authorize, and that's how you can connect Claude with Zapier. Now, from here, you need to ask maybe Claude, what can you do with Zapier? What kind of items can you access within Zapier? Can you build flows, workflows, let's say straight from Claude? Have a conversation with the tool and understand what are the current capabilities when it comes to this connection. That's all for this video. That's how easy it is to connect Zapier with Claude. Thank you very much for watching. If you have any questions, you can type them in the comments below. If you want to work with me, there are links in the video description, and have an amazing day in any time zone. Bye everyone.